Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this brand new Razer Hanbo Chroma all-in-one liquid cooler for my new Intel CPU. I just recently got this. Is for 12,900K. I will be installing this, and this CPU is a monster. It is consuming lots of electric and heating up a lot, so I assume and hoping that this will help to cool this down efficiently. So what we got here, we can see that the diagram here, it shows what's inside the box. So we have this thing here. This is for like showing how to install your CPU. Let's see what we got here. There are some, and looks nice. Yes, we have it. This is 3-pin, and this is 120 mm. It feels good. It's, I believe this is RGB supposed to be, and we have the same thing here. Same fan. What we got here? Oh, USB Type C, and this is for fan 2, fan 3. I think this is for additional fans. I'm not sure. I will figure it out. And we have here a bunch of screws and the mounting bracket for the motherboard, I believe. I think this is for different socket type. Oh, I think this could be for AMD, but I'm gonna be using for my Intel. This one, the radiator. Let's not damage it. Okay. The radiator, it looks nice. It feels good. They have the branding here. We can see some information regarding the fan and the cooler, and we have the main component here. It has the CPU coolant. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or wipe this out and apply my thermal paste, but I think I'm gonna just try and see how it's performing. If I need to reapply, I just got brand new thermal paste. I will use those. We have the pins here and the USB-C Type C. There's a sticker to remove. I'm gonna do that after I install it. Yeah, it looks pretty good, pretty nice. I can install, I believe, just like that, or under whatever the combination is supposed to be. Yeah, I will be installing these on my brand new computer. Thank you for watching.